Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Oracle Linux 10.1 on Virtualbox. Okay, first go to Oracle Linux official website and download. It is oracle.com. Then click on products. See here we have the Linux. Click on it. Then download Oracle Linux. Then click on this ISO images link. See here Oracle Linux installation media. Click on it. See here we have several types of ISO images: full ISO, UVK boot ISO, source ISO. Okay, scroll down. See here we have the latest version of the 10 is 10.1. See here full ISO, boot ISO. In boot ISO we have the boot and UVK ISO and source ISO. In this video I am going to download full ISO, that is DVD ISO. Whatever you want you can select. So click on this DVD ISO. See download started. Go to download. See here the size is about 9.5 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. See here I have already downloaded Oracle Linux 10.1 DVD ISO. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open Virtualbox. If you haven't installed Virtualbox, then search for my YouTube channel how to install Virtualbox on Windows or Linux operating systems. See here I have the Oracle Virtualbox. Now click on new or machine and select new to create new virtual machine. Then provide the name. See, this is the default location to store this virtual machine files and folders. If you want some other location, click on drop down and select other. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Select the path area of the enough space. Then select the downloaded ISO image. See here we have the Oracle Linux 10.1 DVD ISO selected. See, once we selected, OS change it to Linux, OS distribution to Oracle Linux, OS version Oracle Linux 64-bit. Don't select this, proceed with unattended installation. Then select the version. See here we have the Oracle Linux 10.x. Then come to virtual hardware. I am giving 4 gigabytes memory. Number of CPU cores 2. Then virtual hard disk size I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, right click and select settings, or just select it and click on settings. Okay, the only option that I want to change is right click, then settings, then system. Here I am changing this pointing device PS2 mouse to USB tablet. Then click on OK. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on start to install the Oracle Linux 10.1 on Virtualbox. Let me maximize it. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Oracle Linux 10.1 and hit enter. Now select the language and click on continue. See here the begin installation is graded. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So installation destination, click on it. I am okay with the default, so click on done. Root account. See here root account is disabled. If you want to enable, click on it, then select enable root account, then set the password for this root account. Then if you want to allow root SSH login with password, you have to select the checkbox, then click on done. User creation, I am giving user full name as R2 schools and this is the username, and if you want to add administrative privileges to this user account, you have to keep the checkbox, then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same, then click on done. Now software selection. See here these are the base environments. Based on this you can select optionally these features. See here we have the server with UI, server, minimal install, workstation, custom operating system and virtualization modes. Whatever you want you can select, then click on done. Review the settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation is completed. Now click on reboot system. Click on username and provide the password. Click on skip. Now open terminal. Now increase the font size. Now verify the version. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed version number 10.1. Give it a quick Ctrl A. Now update the packages. Sudo dnf update ampersand sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. Hit enter. Okay, this will take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Oracle Linux Standard 1 on Virtualbox. Okay, for more Linux tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.